Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen for 26 March 2021. So, this analysis is for 26 March only. So, I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So, so let's get started. Let me take out the pencil. So we can see that right now market is trading at 149.93. This is the current market price. And after this fall, we can see that market took support at 148.5 level, and from there it bounced. Okay, and we can see that after taking support, market has made a good run. Okay, this looks like a trend reversal. I'm not saying that this is not a trend reversal, but do you think, okay, let's consider this as a trend reversal. So if it is a trend reversal also, do you think this is the good position to execute the order? It's certainly not, because if you buy here, okay, if you buy here, then as per the principles of stop loss, general principles of stop loss, you'll have to keep your stop loss below this line, somewhere around here. And this is the 50 moving average. This will be your let's say take profit, okay, or this line is your take profit target. So you can see that this distance is smaller in comparison to this distance, which means that your risk to reward ratio does not match. So I'm not saying this is not a trend reversal. Even if it is a trend reversal, but your risk to reward ratio does not match, and being a trader, you should not compromise with the discipline. If you compromise with the discipline, in the long run, you will always be losing money. Therefore, what we should do then? We have many opportunities in this chart. First of all, as you can see, the market is going upward. The first opportunity that comes in front of us is that if market goes up from here, just observe the price at the 50 moving average, okay, which is also the first resistance for the market. Just observe the price at the 50 moving average. If at 50 moving average you see that price is struggling, okay, and you get some reversal signs like this, or shooting star kind of a pattern, or price rejection from above, or it can be a bearish engulfing pattern, or a big fat red candle like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation, then you can short the market at the 50 moving average. On the other hand, if market crosses the 50 moving average also, then there is a high possibility that market will struggle at this level, 150.90 level, which is the second resistance for the market. And you can short the market if you see that price is reversing from the resistance to second resistance. You can short the market at the resistance 2. As your risk to reward ratio is not matching, therefore we will be looking for only shorting opportunity if market goes up. On the other hand, okay, if market comes down from here, or after trend reversal also, let's assume that you have missed the trend reversal position and right now market is here, then you need to wait for the market to come down to the support level again. When market will be near the support level 148.5 level, this level, okay, then you need to observe the price again. Being a trader, it's most of the time it goes on observing. I know it's very boring, but it's a part of our job. Okay. you need to observe the price again. If you see that uh, this 148.50 is still providing required support to the market, price is about to bounce back from here. If you get some price reversal pattern like hammer or a bullish engulfing pattern, okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, this is a valid support for the market, okay, then you can go ahead and buy above this line or above the support. Okay, so these are the two price points that you can look for in GBP JPY. And see, this is my analysis, so your opinion may vary, your strategy may vary. Okay, I'm a defensive trader. I do not like to take much risk. I prefer to trade from level to level, and you already know. So this is my analysis. I think these two entry points will be better if you are a beginner and if you do not want to lose much. And if you want to take risk, and go ahead, and you're free to go. Anyways, thank you so much, and hopefully you have liked the video. And if you have found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow, and do subscribe. Bye bye.